Namaste. This is Professor Dr. Pramod K. Raghav, Professor of Food Technology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is ice cream making. All of you know ice cream. Tons of types of ice cream and several hundred brands are available in the market. And it is the key stuff. And everyone knows almost how to make the ice cream. But here I'm talking about ice cream processing using a semi-continuous or continuous ice cream making plant. The good thing is that Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur has state-of-the-art ice cream processing pilot plant, and we make ice cream almost every year in that plant. So before I go ahead, let me ask a question from you students. You have to answer this question. What is the difference between ice cream and kulfi? Both look same, but what is the difference? And yes, there is a difference. In ice cream, we incorporate air. In kulfi, we do not incorporate any air. So that is the basic difference between ice cream and kulfi. And now, let me tell you about ice cream processing. Before moving ahead of the processing of ice cream, there are certain ingredients which are required to be in the ice cream, or which I need to make the ice cream. And let me tell you, for a liter of mix, for example, 50 liter of ice cream mix, what I need actually. For 50 liter ice cream mix, I will need the whole milk of 16.975 kg, cream 3.35 kg of 30% fat, SMP, skimmed milk powder 0.975 kg, sugar 3.625 kg, and stabilizer and emulsifier 0.075 kg. And that's all. Except that I will need few drops of flavor. Any type of flavor I want to use. Strawberry flavor, or vanilla flavor, or banana flavor, or even if you want to mix dry fruits, you may need some dry fruits also, fruit chunks also. So it depends on what type of ice cream you want to make. But these are the ice cream ingredients. So now listen, hold on your breath and listen how you make the ice cream. First of all, you are taking all these ingredients which I told, and those ingredients right away are going into the pasteurizer, the small unit in the milk plant in which this all ice cream mix goes, and I hold it there at 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And it has a little mixer type, in it, which keep on, moving, which keep on mixing all these ingredient mix. And when these ingredients are pasteurized at 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, now we pass all these ice cream ingredient mixer to the homogenizer, where a 2-valve homogenizer is in place, and that homogenizer homogenize all this ice cream mix. After homogenization, this ice cream mix goes into aging vat. Aging is pretty important. Here, that 62 degrees Celsius ice cream mix is brought to 4 degrees Celsius and is held in the aging vat. It is held in the aging vat minimum for 4 hours. However, for the best texture of the ice cream, overnight aging is recommended. But even if we are doing 4 to 5 hours aging at 4 degrees Celsius, even then we get the good quality ice cream. So aging is required for the texture point of view. After holding it for 4 to 5 hours in the aging vat at 4 degrees Celsius, the mixture is fed to the heart of the ice cream plant, which is the continuous freezer. This ice cream mix goes into the continuous freezer, and in continuous freezer is the place where I do the overrun, means I incorporate the air in the ice cream mix. So there I incorporate the air, and up to 80% air is incorporated. 80 to 90% air is incorporated. If I am incorporating 80% air, I'm just getting 40 to 45 liter of the ice cream ready out of the 25 kg 25 liter ice cream mix. And once the air is incorporated and the continuous freezer is turned on, in few minutes, in say 7 to 8 minutes, the ice cream starts coming. And the ice cream which is coming is that can be filled in the boxes, in the cups, and if you want to add some of the dry fruits and all, you can mix at this stage. And the sense, the flavor was is mixed in the ice cream during the aging process. And once you get the ice cream out of the continuous freezer and fill it in the boxes and in the cups and all those cups and boxes are to be stored in deep freezer for 24 hours, so that the solidification of the ice cream can take properly and texture can occur. So that's how the ice cream is made. And ice cream so made is really of good quality, and it has a very good texture in it. And incorporation of air is the important part. So where I can do 90% to 80% air incorporation, so 25 liter mix if I am taking, and if I am doing the 90% of the air incorporation, then I will be getting 45 liter of the ice cream out of that 25 liter mix. That's what I was trying to say. And that's all about the ice cream and ice cream making. It is a very fantastic, it is a very interesting process of seeing how you are mixing the various ingredients and how you are getting the solid ice cream. And it looks really good, and it gives you a great feeling that you're making the ice cream using the various machines. So let me list down various equipments which you need for the ice cream making. You will need a pasteurizer, you will need a transfer pump, you will need a homogenizer, you will need a transfer pump, and then you will need a aging vat, and then you will need a continuous freezer, and naturally you will need a chiller. And by all this combination of equipments, when they are put in a series like pasteurizer, homogenizer, pasteurizer, then a balanced pasteurizer, then a transfer pump, then the homogenizer, then a transfer pump, aging vat, and the continuous freezer, and here you go, the ice cream. So that's how this the plant is it give you ice cream, and that's how the ice cream is processed. So that was all about the ice cream processing. As far as ingredients are concerned, as far as temperature is concerned, as far as overrun is concerned, as far as air incorporation is concerned, I told you everything almost practically, as well as theoretically, as well as process flow point of view. And I don't think anything is left. Yeah, one thing which you have to always keep in mind, that follow standard food safety practices, follow good manufacturing practices, maintain the plant hygiene, maintain the plant sanitation, maintain the personal hygiene. All are very important, because ice cream is such a important milk product that even if some contamination is coming, people don't gonna eat it. They're gonna throw the whole packet, and that will lead to a bad name to the brand of which this ice cream is being made. So that was all about the ice cream making. And at this point, I don't think anything is left. That's all. And if you have any question, you can always ask me when you meet me face to face in my class, or you can write in my YouTube comment box the questions. And one thing which I would like to clear is the air incorporation. If I am taking the 25%, 25 liter of the ice cream mix, and I'm incorporating 90% of the air in it, then I will be getting 40 liter of the ice cream ready out of this 25 liter ice cream mix. That's what I was trying to say. And that's all, guys. That's all about ice cream making. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.